Right then guys, you're joining me today. We're out on a bit of a New Year's Day social, and unfortunately it is raining, but we're still going to give it a go. So hopefully putting the right lure on in the right swim will produce a lovely fish. Come on then. Just let the lure sink for a bit. It looks quite deep. And then we'll just flick it back. Gentle retrieve, just move that lure in the water. And hopefully we'll have a take. There we go. Oh yes. Come on then. Oh yeah. Yes, first fish of the new year. Well done. Let's have a quick look. There you go guys, what a start to my 2017. First fish, first day. Let's have a quick look. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. So after I've changed over to that replicant slick colour, first cast, this one nailed it. Won't keep him out too long. Get him back in and I'll quickly show you the lure that I've used. Right, there you go. So the lure that I've used is the replicant Fox Rage, and it's the slick colour. Just look at that. First cast after I put this lure on, and that little pike nailed it. So we're going to have another go and hopefully we can catch a big one. Let's see how we get on.